12 and 24-hour time. We're going to look at moving from 12-hour to 24-hour time, as well as looking at moving back the way from 24-hour time to 12-hour. So, first of all, let's look at moving from 12-hour time to 24-hour. Let's start with an example. Let's go with 9:30 AM. So, first thing you need to notice, AM obviously means in the morning, before midday. If we move from this 12-hour version to the 24-hour equivalent, because it's in the morning, you don't add or take away anything. You simply write the 3 digits as you see them here. Okay, we're not quite finished, because the other really important thing when it comes to 24-hour clock is that you always need 4 digits. So if you have a situation like this, where there's a missing digit almost at the front, you simply add in a 0, like so. The other thing to notice is that we've got AM, in this case for 12-hour, nothing at all for 24-hour. No need for AM or PM, and certainly no need for any dots in the middle here to distinguish between hours and minutes. Okay, let's look at another example. And this time, let's go for 9:30 PM. Turn that into 24-hour clock. Now, this is slightly different, of course. The PM means after midday, and every time you see PM in a 12-hour clock, when we're changing it into 24-hour clock, you need to add 12 hours on to the hours that you have here. So rather than having 9, we have 9 plus 12, which gives us 21. The minutes, they stay the same. Notice, of course, that we still have 4 digits in exactly the same way that we had in our previous example. Okay, now let's look at a few examples where we're going from 24-hour clock, 24-hour to 12-hour. And let's go with the example 18:42. Okay. The first 2 digits here, the 18, the 1 and the 8, because that's more than 12, in that case you automatically subtract 12 from it. If you're moving from 24-hour to 12-hour clock, take 12 away from that, 18 take away 12, well, that leaves you with 6. The minutes, they stay the same. So that becomes 6:42. The other key piece of information is that you need to decide whether it's AM or PM. Well, it's PM in this case. How do you know it's PM? Any time that the digits here, the 1 and the 8, if it's more than 12, then you know automatically that it's PM. Automatically. Okay, let's look at another example. This time, let's look at 05:12. Okay, let's look at 05:12. That's 24-hour. Look at this number here. Now this time, the number's less than 12. And because the number's less than 12, you do nothing to it. You don't subtract or add anything. You keep it as it is. 0, 5. The minutes stay the same. So that becomes 5, 12. Again, you need to decide whether it's AM or PM. And you know it's AM. How do you know it's AM? You know it's AM because this 5, the first two digits, the 5 is less than 12. And that's the giveaway. So, if the numbers here are more than 12, it's PM. If the numbers here are less than 12, it's AM. Just before we finish, here's one final example. What if the numbers at the start are neither less than 12 or more than 12, but in fact are precisely 12? So let's say we have 12, 18. What happens then? Well, if it's 12, you simply take 12 away, and you end up with 0. The minutes stay the same. The key now, is it more or less than 12? Well, it's neither. So is it AM or PM? Well, in this case, PM. Now, why is it PM? Well, although the 12 is there, the 18 minutes take you past midday, take you past the 12-hour mark, and that takes you into the afternoon, PM. Thanks for watching.